Okay, good morning to everyone. Here, frames are slightly similar to the concept of class or object-oriented paradigm. Okay, frames are slightly similar to the concept of class of object-oriented paradigm. Class also contains attributes and methods. Here, in frames, it consists of attributes or slots. Attributes are slots. Frame consists of in frames. It consists of attributes or slots. Slots are attributes. Yes, slots are described with attribute value pair, slot name, that means slot name and value. Okay. Slots are generally complex structures that have facts or filters describing their properties. Here, the value of a slot may be a primitive, such as a text string, constant, or an integer, or it may be another frame. Okay. Slots are generally complex structures that have facets or filters describing their properties. Okay. The value of a slot may be a primitive, such as a text string, constant, or an integer, or it may be another frame. Okay, clear? So, slots may contain value. Slots may contain value, refer to another frame or relation, or contain methods. Okay. Most of the frame systems allow multiple values per slot, and some systems support procedural attachments as well. These procedural attachments, that means methods, can be used for computing the slot value whenever required. Here, frames may contain triggers for checking consistency or obtaining updates of other slots. Clear? Here, therefore, frames are basically a machine usable formalization of concepts or schemata. Okay. Here, the general structure of a frame. The general structure of a frame, like frame name, frame name, frame name. This is the general structure. First one, frame name, slot filter, slot filter, default values, slot export is done. Default values, Next, constraints on values within the slots of the frame. Constraint on the values within the slots of a within the slots of a frame. Next, pointers are links to the frame. Pointers are linked to the frame. Pointers are linked to other frame. To other frame. Okay. First one, frame name, slot filter, default values, constraints on the values within the slots of the frame. Pointers are links to other frames. A kind of or subclass echo. Echo. A kind of, that means a kind of or subclass. ACO, AKO, a kind of or subclass. Okay. A kind of or subclass. Next, instance. IN SC. Next, installation procedure. Installation procedure. Inheritance procedure. Default inference procedure. Next, triggers. Again, this is the structure of frame. Frame name, slot filter, default values, constraints and values within the slots of the frame. Pointers are linked to other frames. Echo, a kind of, that means subclass. Next, instance, INST. INST means instance of instance. Installation procedure. Installation procedure. Inheritance procedure. Default inference procedure. Trigger. Okay. Installation procedure. Triggers. This is the structure of a frame. What is the structure of a frame? Frame name, slot filter, default values, okay. What is the structure of a frame? Structure of a frame consists of frame name. For frame name, slot filter, note down. Frame name, slot filter, default values, constraints on values within the slots of a frame. Within the slots of a frame. And the next, pointers are linked to other frames. occur AKO, a kind of or subclass. Next, INST, instance. Next, no. Next, sorry, instantiation. Sorry, instantiation procedure. Instantiation procedure. And next, inheritance procedure. Instantiation procedure, inheritance procedure, default inference procedure, and triggers. Okay. This is the structure of a frame. Wow. Late. Not 23. Okay. Structure of a frame. This is okay. Frame name, slot, filter, default values, constants and values within the slots of a frame. Pointers, links to other frames. Echo, a kind of or subclass. Instance, NST instance, instantiation procedure, inheritance procedure, default inference procedure, and triggers. Very important. One-time members present. Okay. Here, a frame may contain as many slot filter. Many slot filter pairs as required to describe an object. Okay. Filters are also known as facets. FACET. Here, each slot may contain one or more facets or filters, okay, from the list given table. Here table, this is the list of facets in a frame. First facet name, description. Facet name and description. First facet name, value. Here value means description. Value of the slot. Value means value of the slot. This is the value of the slot. And next default. Default. That means default value of the slot default value of the slot, and it may be redefined by lower classes. May defined by, and it may be redefined by lower classes. Okay. What is default? Default means default value of the slot, and it may be redefined by lower classes. Default value of the slot, and it may be redefined by lower classes. And next, range. Range means the range of integer or enumerated values that a slot can have. Range means the range of integer or encountered values. Sorry, enumerated values. Enumerated values that a slot can have. That's the range. Next, daemons. DMONS. Daemons means procedural attachments. That means procedural attachments. Procedural attachments such as if needed, if deleted, if added, and etc. What is daemons? Procedural attachments such as if needed, if deleted, if added. Next, last one, other. Last part, next facet name, other. Other means may contain rules, other frames, semantic net, or any type of other information. May contain rules. Other means may contain rules, other frames, semantic nets, or any type of information. This is a list of facets in a frame. List of facets in a frame. First one, facet name and description. Facet name, value. Value means value of the slot. Next, default. Default means default value of the slot, and it may be redefined by lower classes. And range. The range of integer or enumerated values that a slot can have. Next, daemons. Daemons mean procedural attachment such as if needed, if deleted, if added. And next, other. Other means may contain rules, other frames, or semantic net, or any type of other information. Okay. This is the list of facets in a frame. One more. List of facets in a frame. Facet name, description. Okay. Here, next one. Here, a class frame. A class frame generally has certain default values which can be refined at lower levels. In case a class frame processes an actual value pairs, then decision frames cannot modify that value. This value then remains unchanged for all subclasses and instances of the class. Here, the related frames are linked together into frame system and are organized into hierarchies or network of frames. Here, each frame in the network is either a class frame or an instance frame. For example, hospital frame. Example, hospital frame. Here, hospital frame consists of slot name, and next patient name, what are the different other patient names? Value, default, range, demons, other. These are the facets. And facet value. Last one. Facet value. First slot name, F name. Anyway. This is the hospital frame example, okay? F name. Facet name is value. Facet value, Metro Hospital. That is name, Metro Hospital. Metro Hospital. Next, country. Country default value, sorry, facet value default, okay? Country, facet name default, country name, facet value, India, okay? Clear, country India. And phone number it is default value, default name, phone number, default 2345698. This is the phone number and address. Address is facet name default. Address default, okay? Default. Default, for example, any address. 18B, 1 town, Veluru. Seven B dash 3 dash anyway. This is the hospital spread. Okay. Clear? Slot name, facet name, facet value. Okay, clear? Slot name, F name. Facet name, value. Facet value, Metro Hospital. Country, default, India. Phone number, default, 2345689. Address, default, Hello. Okay, clear? This is the hospital. Here, frames in a network of frames are connected using the links. Okay. Here some points here. Frame description: hospital frame, heart hospital frame, lab frame, ward frame, doctor frame, pathology frame, X-ray frame, orthopedic ward frame. These are the different types of frames. Root frame is hospital frame. Okay. Hospital frame means here frame name, hospital, F name, country, value India, phone number, default 2356798, address, default, alone, director, default, XYZ, labs, lab of, lab frame, wards, ward of, ward frame, doctors, doctor of, doctor frame. These are different types of subframes. Okay. Here one example. Here what is frame? Clear. A frame is a collection of attributes or slot and associated values. That means possible constants and values that describes some entity in the world. Example, for example, this is the frame. Person, adult, male, MS, baseball player. Okay. This is the frame. For example, another example, first example, hospital, second example, the second example, person, adult, male, ML, baseball player, fielder, PV Reese, ML, baseball team, Brooklyn Dodgers. This is the example of frame. Okay. Okay. A simple frame system works in hospital. Here hospital root. Okay. Root of the network, hospital frame. Instance aims this is the root. What are the different frames? Echo Heart Hospital, Heart Hospital, Heart Hospital. This is escorts, instance escort. Royal symbol, instance escort. Next lab, next doctor, doctor frame. Next ward frame. Lab means pathology lab and X-ray lab. Okay. 2 types. Pathology lab, X-ray lab. Okay. Next ward. Orthopedic ward. Orthopedic ward. This is echo. Kind of or subclass. Okay. Clear? This is a simple frame system. Here, this is the graphical representation of a frame network for the class hospital. Okay. Here, a network of frames can be viewed as a 3-dimensional figure. One dimension is concerned with the description of a class, along with all the classes contained in it and connected with part of link. Okay. The second dimension in the hierarchy is echo links, while the third dimension contains the instance of all cases connected with instant links. Clear? So important to note that each frame can have at most 2 links. Okay. Here what is frame? Here frame can be instance of some frame and a part of another frame. So it can have both instance and part of link. Okay. A frame can be a kind of AKO, a kind of frame of one frame and a part of another frame. So it can have echo and part of links. Here, okay. However, it is not possible to have a frame which is both an instance and a kind of some class at the same time. So the links, instance and echo in a frame are not possible. Not possible. This is the one example frame. Very, very important. Knowledge representation using frames. Okay. Here once again hospital frame. What are the links? The frames in the network of frames are connected by using links. Echo, instance, part of. Okay. Instance, part of. Echo means the link is connected to the 2 class frames. For example, the heart hospital is one type of hospital. A class is defined as inherits from subclass to the superclass. Here, all instances of frame classes are superclass of the frames. Here, an instance. The linkage connects like the linkage connects to the particular instance frame to a class frame. For example, AIMS is an instance of the class frame hospital. Next part of here, two class frames are connected to the link of particular other classes. For example, what is the part of the class hospital? The network frames are divided into 3 dimensions. They are one-dimensional, that is one-dimensional part of, two-dimensional echo, three-dimensional instance, and next instance, okay. One-dimensional part of means it is in one-dimensional. All classes are along with particular part of link. Next, two-dimensional echo. In two-dimensional echo links are used. One-dimensional. That means part of. One-dimensional. In one-dimensional, all classes are along with particular part of link. Next, second, two-dimensional echo. A kind of. In two-dimensional echo links are used. Next, three-dimensional. Three-dimensional instance. In this, all instance classes are connected to the instance class. It is important to note that each frame can have at most 2 links with the following combination. First one, instance and part of links. Instance and part of links. 1, 3. That means a frame can be have instance of another frame so that we use both instance and part of links. Okay. Next, echo and part of link. 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3. Echo and part of link. That means a frame can be have one kind of frame and part of another frame. Okay. A frame can be have, second one, a frame can be have one kind of frame and part of another frame. So that we use echo and part of link. And next, instance and echo. 2, 3. That means here, okay, here instance and kind of some classes are not possible to same time. So that instance and echo frames are not used. Here not used, okay. Instance and kind of some classes are not possible to same time, okay. So that instance and echo frames are not used. Okay, clear? It's clear. What is frame? A frame is a collection of attributes or slots and associated values that describe some entity in the world. in the world. Okay. Okay. This is the fourth unit, first part. Introduction to knowledge representation, approaches to knowledge representation. Knowledge representation using semantic network. Very, very important. External semantic network for knowledge representation. Knowledge representation using frames. Okay, very, very important. 3%. Very good. 4%. Okay. Thank you.